looking for the best free website that pay instantly and where you can start earning right now, then you can earn $50, $100, and even $200 daily doing simple work just by sharing your opinion and you can withdraw instantly via PayPal. So this video is for you and I'll show you my top 5 recommended method for earning online. Or you can say earning easy money right now. So these are the realistic methods. And once again, I have tested hundred of different ways to earn online, and these here are the best ones. So I have come across where you can join completely free, start earning right away. And then they also have a low payout threshold. So that means it will not take you long to actually earn enough to redeem. So you can take out your earnings and you will get paid basically instantly. And they are the fastest ways to start earning a little bit extra money online. And they are completely free as well. So anyone can do that and you don't need any particular experience or anything like that. So let's get into it. So the best website that pay instantly or option number one, when talking about platforms you can join for free and get paid instantly, we have to talk about free cash. So if you watch any of my videos, you will have heard me mention this before because this is a get paid to site. You can join from all countries around the world and you can earn by playing games, taking surveys, and doing many different small tasks. Or you can say micro tasks. So they have great leaderboard contest, different contest once in a while, and it does pay more than most other get paid to site. So for these tasks, and when you want to cash out, you will need to earn around 50 cents if you want to take out as crypto, PayPal, or only $5. So this will really not take long for some people depending on the country you live in, and you can easily earn $5, very quickly. Some people in some countries can earn $10, $20 on some days. And definitely some of the great platforms here. And once you have had your account approved and done everything honestly, so they pay instantly, like you can withdraw within seconds. So definitely one of the fastest paying free earning method that I have come across online. So the next option I want to talk about is Prime Opinion. And if you like taking paid service, then this is a great opportunity because it pays very well for the service compared to many other service sites. And also you can see here you can join and find it in all different countries here and also in some cases in different languages. So Prime Opinion gives a great joining bonus as well. And also you can cash out from around $5. This will vary a little bit depending on the country you live in. And that's very easy to reach there. And once you cash out, they also pay you within 30 minutes in my experience. And the times that I have done it, it has been within a few minutes. So it also pays very quickly and you can get paid in gift card. The exact method, it will depend on the country you live in. So next we have another service site, KPG. So it also has an app for both Android and iOS users. So if you are like taking surveys on the go, that's a really great opportunity for you guys. So here also gives you with high rewards. It also gets to know you. So the more surveys you take, it will start making some of the surveys. So you know that you will actually be more and less guaranteed to qualify for. So this take some of this frustration, but not always qualifying for surveys, a lot of it. And I really love about they also now have introduced this jackpot game where you can win some really great extra rewards where you get tickets every time you complete a survey. Overall, a great user experience, and you can get paid in many different ways. It's available in I think around 50 countries or so. And again, you'll check. I'll leave a link below in the description for you guys to join. And then once again, you request a payout again, it pays in cash and gift cards in many different ways and many different gift cards in some countries. And you can choose between and then you will get paid. It also says on the website here within 30 minutes in most cases. And also even faster in some of the payout options. You only need to earn $1 to actually get paid. So we now only have a couple of more options to go over, and it will be great if you could just take a second to like this video because it can help and I would definitely appreciate that spot. So moving on to rewards one. So rewards one is Get Paid to site, you can join from all countries around the world, and it is not so well known, but I actually really do like it for several reasons. First of all, it has quite a lot of different ways to earn. Once you just get used to the platform, you can see that it also pays quite well for the different offers, surveys, watching videos, and all these different things you can do, and it gives some great bonus when you cash out a certain number of times, these different extra aspects. And then it has some great reward opportunities, and how much you need to earn depend on your chosen method, but most of them are $5. For some it's only a couple of dollars. So if it's cryptocurrency you want to get paid in, and it also has a custom option where you can basically order any online reward you want. So if you do not see the reward that you would actually like, you can just contact them and ask for that. And this is truly unique. I have never seen that on any other platform. And once you cash out, it will pay you instantly. And it requires you to first be a member for a little while, and you do everything honestly. But once your account has approved like that, then you can click the button to redeem, and then you will get the reward right away. And I really love this aspect of rewards and I really do love this aspect of reward one. So the last option I want to show you is called Five Service. And this is quite unique compared to any other service site. It also has an app where you can use both the Android and iOS, and it's available in limited countries. So you can see currently here, these are the countries it is available in. Again, I do have link for these platforms in the description, and make sure to check out. So at the top, there are joining links. So you can easily get started with the platform you choose, and you choose to get started with, you can get paid in cash, gift card, in some countries even bank transfer. So but what makes it truly unique is also that it's called Five Service, because you complete five surveys and then you can get paid, and you can actually earn $5 in some countries, and it's £5 in some countries. You can just earn more for surveys because there's more market research. That's just natural, but overall the idea is just complete five surveys and then you get paid, and you can see you actually earn quite good rewards per survey. And once you then cash out, as soon as you have taken five surveys, you will get paid instantly. So you can see, if you are looking for ways where you can start earning right away and very quickly, earn enough to get paid and then get paid basically instantly, then these are your best options. And I have tested hundred of different methods to earn online. As long as you do it with the right expectation, do not expect to get rich quick scheme or anything like that. These are definitely easy ways to start earning right away and get paid very quickly. So that's it, guys. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care.